Unlocking your captured memories is simpler than you think, and this is exactly how you get those stunning Canon photos onto your computer. First up, let's talk about connection, the memory card reader method. This is a super reliable way to get your pictures over. Locate the SD card in your Canon camera. It's usually a small, rectangular slot on the side or bottom of the camera body. Gently eject the card now. Take that memory card and insert it into your card reader. Most laptops and PCs have built-in SD card slots, but if yours doesn't, a small, affordable USB card reader works perfectly. Connect the card reader to an available USB port on your computer. Your computer should automatically recognize the card as a removable drive. Once your computer recognizes the memory card, you'll see it appear in your file explorer, often labeled with a drive letter like E or F. Open this drive. Inside, you'll typically find folders named DCIM or similar, which is where your photos are stored. Browse through these folders to find your images. You can select individual photos by clicking on them, or select multiple photos by holding down the Ctrl key or Command key on a Mac and clicking on each one. For all photos, you can simply select the entire folder. Now for the transfer, with your photos selected, you have two main options. You can right-click on the selected photos and choose Copy, then navigate to the folder on your computer where you want to save them. Right-click inside that folder and choose Paste. Alternatively, and often faster, you can simply click and drag the selected photos or the entire folder directly from the memory card drive to your desired location on your computer. Let them all copy over. It's that easy. If you prefer a direct connection without removing the card, the USB cable method is for you. Turn off your Canon camera before connecting the cable. Locate the USB port on your camera. It might be under a small cover. Connect the smaller end of the USB cable to your camera and the larger end to an available USB port on your PC or laptop. Once connected, turn on your camera. Your computer should prompt you with options, or the camera will be recognized as a media device. You might see an option to import pictures and videos, or you can manually open the camera's storage like you did the memory card in the file explorer. Just like with the card reader, navigate through the camera's internal storage to find your photo folders. Select the photos or folders you wish to transfer, copy them, and paste them into a designated photo album or folder on your computer. This ensures your precious moments are safely backed up and ready for editing or sharing.